What happened to the Commodore 16, which I actually owned one when I was a kid? The Commodore 16, a budget-friendly home computer released in 1984, ultimately struggled to gain traction and was discontinued in 1985 due to factors like limited software support, being less powerful than the Commodore 64, and a weak marketing push. It was also overshadowed by the more successful VIC-20 and Plus-4 models. Market saturation. The C16 entered a crowded market already dominated by the successful C64 and other budget-friendly computers. Limited software. The C16's lack of significant software support, particularly applications, hindered its appeal compared to the C64's extensive library. Not as powerful. While the C16 was intended as a budget alternate to the VIC-20, it was not as powerful or feature-rich as the C64, which had a larger user base and a wider range of software available. Weak marketing. Commodore's marketing efforts for the C16 were not as strong as those for the C64, further limiting its appeal. Internal competition. Following Jack Tremaile's departure from Commodore, internal disagreements and lack of clear direction contributed to the C16's failure. The Plus-4 similarity. The Plus-4, a successor to the C16, faced similar issues, with both being seen as less desirable than the 64. In essence, the C16 was a victim of its own circumstances, lacking the necessary combination of features, software support, and marketing compete effectively in a saturated market. And I'm going to add this. Peek and poke are commands for the processor. The C16, you were limited to your peek and poke commands in basic programs. Thank you for watching.